global alert, local station on the planet Earth. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please listen carefully to this alert, as the following to a global crisis that is still ongoing. There have been reports of the Great Goo seen spreading all across the entire world and transform it to the black side. These goos are considered to be extremely dangerous and can transform it to black side. It has been realized that these goos are immune to any firearms. Many buildings, pools, rivers, vehicles, animals, plants, objects, and humans are gone into the black side. Due to this, there is nothing that can be done to save this. There is no possible way to get rid of the Great Goo, as these goo will spread throughout the entire world within the next 10 hours. There is no place to evacuate to survive this. There is no explanation to remain calm, going to the massive panic, and to his useful place. Humanity will not be able to survive in this horrible event. You are strongly advised to bring all of your friends, family, pets, loved ones, or anything else that you feel comfortable and prepared for the end. If you are a religious person, pray to the Lords who serve and repent. Ask for forgiveness. The president has selected the verse from the Bible to be played over the air, and is as follows. John 23:49, I played Minecraft, going to the cave. Creeper is considered to be dangerous, just be explode. I just found out diamonds, and I used pickaxe to do something. I am Steve, or Alex, including me, and I'm in Minecraft. After that, all television, radio, communication, 911, internet, and more services will shut down forever. For the last time, we will play the national anthem right after we end this message. This concludes our last operation of the emergency alert system. May God help us all, and may God bless you all.